Guys, use this sound and absolutely nothing might happen. Or maybe your video just casually explodes overnight. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. But if you wake up and your phone's hotter than the sun from all the notifications, yeah, that's on you. I'm just saying if you don't try it, you'll never know if you just skipped your viral moment. So go ahead, risk it for the algorithm.
Tapos yung workplace, inalaba mula po ni kabalo. Ina dagana. Yung kakuan kay customer is always right.
Ang-order ni mo tayo, wapos siya mga nalaman, tag-20 na na ba?
Pwede sa mga pilay mabalay ron.